And health officials are asking all of us to get COVID-19 booster shots right now, especially because of Omicron.
And tonight, Fox 12's Audrey Wheel found out why experts say boosters are better than taking a chance on this variant. She joins us now live with more. Audrey?
Yeah, well, the Clackamas County health officer explains it this way. Vaccines are predictable. You know what you're going to get with a booster shot. Whereas getting infected with COVID, even if you're vaccinated, even if it's a mild case, is unpredictable. You don't know how that might really affect your health in the long run, and you could spread that on to others. So far, scientists say the good news with Omicron is it seems to not make people as severely sick, especially if you're vaccinated. The bad news is that it can spread so fast, even faster than the Delta variant. Clackamas County Health Officer Dr. Sarah Present says there are also more breakthrough cases with Omicron, meaning people who are fully vaccinated are more likely to still get it. But that booster shots protect against that and are a much better idea than risking getting COVID.
Responses to a vaccine are predictable. The responses to infection are really unpredictable. You may have a mild case of a COVID disease, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to have symptoms of long COVID. And it also doesn't mean that you're not going to spread it to your loved ones and others who are more vulnerable to severe disease.
And even though the shots can cause side effects, health officials say feeling bad for a little while is worth it.
Honestly, nobody wants to have discomfort and nobody wants to put something in their body that, has any potential risk or side effect. And this vaccine truly has been more safety scrutinized than any other vaccine or probably any other medicine that we've ever had in the United States. So there are layers upon layers of safety that have gone into this process.
Dr. Present says people who've had COVID before are still at risk of reinfection too. Their best bet is also being fully vaccinated plus getting a booster.
When you're vaccinated, we know that your risk of severe disease is less. If you get a reinfection, we don't know that. People who had COVID before who get this are not necessarily protected from the severe results of COVID infection.
And there are county-run sites offering these booster shots. There's also pharmacies that have them by appointment and even some walk-in clinics. But keep in mind, they are in very high demand right now, and some of these places will be closed for the holiday. I checked some of the Walgreens in our area to see what the availability for those looks like, and the first available appointments are the first week of January. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.